Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook zucchini noodles for spaghetti. To begin, select 3 to 4 firm, medium-sized zucchinis from the market. You will need to thoroughly wash them and trim off both ends. Then, use a spiralizer or a julienne peeler to create uniform, spaghetti-like strands, ensuring they are all roughly the same thickness. This ensures even cooking throughout your dish. Zucchini naturally contains a lot of water, which can make your noodles watery and bland if not addressed. To avoid this, place all your prepared zucchini noodles into a colander. Gently toss them with about 1/2 teaspoon of fine salt, ensuring an even coating. Let them rest for approximately 10 minutes, then use paper towels to firmly pat them completely dry, removing all visible moisture. Cooking zucchini noodles is incredibly fast, so precision is key to avoid a mushy texture. Sautéing them quickly in a pan is a common and effective method for a slight crispness. Alternatively, you can place them in a microwave-safe bowl and heat them for 1 to 2 minutes on high, stirring halfway through. Remember, the goal is tender crisp, not soft. For that perfect al dente texture, heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking fat, like olive oil or butter, in a large non-stick skillet over medium heat. Once shimmering, add your thoroughly dried zucchini noodles to the pan. Cook them for only 2 to 3 minutes, tossing continuously with tongs. They should be just tender enough to bite, but still hold their shape beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.